Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a video today for you guys showing some of the Insjo bag and accessory items. So I have done several videos on the Insjo Saimaa, which is their medium-sized bag organizer, because the Kala is a lot larger, so that's the largest, and then it goes down to the Saimaa. So I will pop those below for you guys to check a couple of those out. So I won't go over actually packing this per se, but just really quick on the features. These are really nice nylon outer and inner constructed inserts. They do have genuine leather accents on them. Is a pocket at the back here that clips shut. There are little D-rings on each, little holes on each side to attach a messenger strap. 3 pockets at the front here. This side has a little key hook thing. And then there's a whole bunch of pockets inside. I think 1, 2, 3 on back and front. There's a zipper at the back and 2 elastic pockets as well. So this is really, really handy. I've used this, I've had this probably over a year and it looks brand new. They're really good quality products from Insjo. So that is the Saimaa. Now, I haven't done a video yet on the Inari. Now the Inari is their smaller one. So this is in the black luxe print. I do carry this at Zara Boutique. I really like this color. I think it goes really well in a lot of bags. And then it has a hot pink inside. So the organization on this, you've got a little mesh pocket here, then a slightly larger one, then a definitely larger one on this side here, just about, kind of hard to tell in the camera, about this big. Then there's a slip pocket here, and then another little slip pocket there. And then on the front, you've got 2 slip pockets, and then a clipped together pocket right there. And then on the inside, got 2 little zip pockets there, and then on the front, 2 slip pockets, really tiny. So I'll be honest, I kind of find this one difficult to use. I don't use it very often, mainly because of what I take, but I will show you what I do normally put into this one. So if I was going to use this, I would use it if I was by myself and I was, say, taking a handbag, going out to the movies, going out to dinner, or if I had another bag, another diaper bag packed up, and I just wanted to have a little pouch with my things in it that I could grab if I wanted to go somewhere. So I guess how I normally pack it is, this is my small set piece with all my mummy med kit needs, and I take this everywhere, even when I'm by myself. So I usually put that in there like this, just like that. And then I have my hand sanitizer, and I usually put that in there too. And then if I had a little thing of mints, I'd put that in there as well, like in the slip pocket, say, like that. And my lipstick and lip gloss thing. Yeah, so I wouldn't put the lipstick and lip gloss one. I just have that in there like that. And then that can zip up like this. And then I think I would put this actually in the front. Actually, I'd put it in the back pocket here like that. And then I usually take my little antibacterial mini wipe pouch, and I could put that in that front little thing like that. And then this is just like a little pouch for me to kind of pop into bags or into a diaper bag, and I can just grab it and go. So that is the Inari. There's probably so many other ways you can pack it up. I just don't take, oh, my phone. I could put my phone in here as well. Let's see. Probably stick my phone back in that bigger slip pocket there. There's still a little one right here. You could even put, I don't know, if you had a lip gloss or something, you could stick that in there. So you could put my phone in there. Yeah, so there you go. That works. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, but it doesn't have any D-ring, little holes or anything to attach a message strap. It's purely like a little thing that you would put inside of a bag. I wouldn't necessarily wear this on its own, but it is handy if you do have another bag packed and you just want to grab your stuff and go, you know, say go to the bathroom or something. So you could put your feminine products in here. I have a little coin purse with some little penny liners. See? Put that in there like that, in that mesh pocket. There you go. See, it's all my stuff right in this. So these are really cool. So I do have these, as I say, in some different colors as well. So I'll put the link down below for the page on the website so you can check them out. And then the other thing that somebody asked me about is the, get it out real quick. This is the Lampi. Lampi? Yeah. It's basically a coin purse, and this is in the black. It comes in a pink and a yellow, and the pink and yellow are really cute, but of course I try not to take the colors out of my stock for me that I think people would buy. So I got the black. But I don't mind because it's so cute. So this is leather. This is genuine leather. It's really, really nice. You do have a zip compartment and it comes around the side like that, and this is the main section on the inside, and there is a little key hook thing. Okay. I also, on my keys, I have I'm an Insjo fiend, I swear, I got all the Insjo stuff. I have the keychain, and this is my second one now, because you know, it gets banged around and stuff, but this is leather as well, and I love these things. So this is designed, say, you could just like attach them together like that. I don't know if you do that, or you could actually attach this maybe to something else, but it is there if you want it. Or you could attach it to your keys, I suppose, like this. There you go. Okay, so, but I don't use it like that, okay? So anyways, that's the main section. Then you've got a little zip section here, just for coins, or bobby pins, or I don't know, safety pins, or anything you want to put in there. You're thinking of pin stuff. And then there's a slip pocket here. So I will show you how I use this, okay? So here is my small set piece by Jujube. This is my little zipper pull thing that I made as well. And this is in the Toki Pops. No, not Toki Pops. Iconic 2.0. Having brain farts today, left, right, and center. Okay, this is a card holder from Country Road. So this is leather. This is lovely as well. Love my leather. And what I usually do, this is my wallet in Kate Spade wallet. So sometimes I feel like taking a large wallet. Sometimes I feel like taking a little wallet. So right now this is all packed up with my stuff. I don't carry very much. If you watch my videos, you know that I'm very minimal. So I'm just going to pull out the minimal cards that I normally take, which is my license, my debit cards, my medical cards, and I have like probably 6 different coffee cards. Everywhere you go, they give you a coffee punch card. And of course, I always forget them. Okay, so that's all my cards. Oh, there, that one is. Okay, so that's empty. There's some coins in here, so I grabbed some coins out so I can show you what that's like. Don't use money. No, does anybody actually carry money anymore? I don't even, most of the time I don't carry money. Everything is like, it goes bing, so you just kind of like pay it that way. Okay, so I'm just gonna pack up my little card thing here that I use for card holder for my actual cards. I'm missing a card. My son took it to buy me coffee and I haven't got it back yet. It's on my desk. And then so on one side I put my debit cards, and then on the other side I put my medical cards and my license. And then these coffee punch cards. Leave me a comment below and tell me how many coffee punch cards you have, because I can't be the only one that collects them, right? And I don't drink that much coffee. I only drink like one or two coffees a day. Okay, so these I usually put into my little Insjo coin purse, and they fit right in there perfectly. And then what I normally do in this section is put notes or bills, like money. They call them bills in the States and notes in Australia, so people get really confused when I don't do it properly. So I could put my bills and notes in here, and then I put the coins in the little coin section back there. So this is how I use it. Now I could sometimes I put the coffee cards I don't use as much inside, and then put the ones I do use on the outside. And then these two things, so my little Insjo coin purse or Lampi and my Country Road card thing, fit into a small set piece perfectly. And I like using this over a Jujube coin purse because it curves. It fits into the small set piece really, really nicely. See, like that? And then when you zip it up, it's kind of hard to tell. It doesn't catch. It doesn't catch on anything. It just zips and closes perfectly. So that is my wallet, smallish wallet thing that I like to do. With hair everywhere, molting. So yeah, a lot of people have asked me about these and whether they're worth it. And anybody who buys them from me, from Saimaa Boutique, or have in the past, say how much they love them, because you could use it like this, the little Lampi want things, or you could actually put in if you're going out, say to dinner, and you just wanted to take your cards, like your license and your debit card and your ID or whatever, you could just take this. You could just put your cards in here, your money in the main section, and you're good to go. Just pop it in your back pocket, or give it to hubby to carry, or you know, if you don't want to take a whole bag. It is such a nifty little pouch, and it's really well made, so it's not going to fall apart on you because it's leather, and as I said, I've had this for over a year and they last forever. So there you go. So there's my little rundown of the three different NCO pouch and coin purse. So if you have any questions or comments, please pop them below. I'm sorry I kind of ranted a little bit. It's been one of those days. And I'll be happy to help you out with that, any questions you may have. And thanks for watching, guys. And I hope this helped anybody who's curious about these items. So have a good one. See you later.